What's poppin', Chef? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do in-between chops. I got a request in the ID Club Discord asking how to make in-between chop. You may want to know how to do in-between chops as well, so I wanted to do a video about it. So I'm in FL right now. I have this song called La Complainte de la Blute. It's a French 50 song. I chopped it up a little. Down here it's like it's her singing, so I'm gonna play what I have and I'll solo the singing part. So as you heard, the singing part right here. But this is right here is your standard Jersey Club chops, like right here. Now, as you heard, it's like this sound right here. Hear how it's like kind of repeating? Those are what I call stutters. And it's just this, you know, stuttering. And this is the whole thing. In between chops are different, so I'm gonna go back to the choir. And this is the choir. Now for in between chop, instead of stuttering it, we're cutting every other bar. So for the stutters, the key part is your grid. So if your grid is too small or too big, the in between will sound weird. So if I make it too big, it'll sound like this. Now, for some cases that may sound good, but if it's a vocal, like if it's just someone saying hey or something, that may sound weird. How you'd want to do it is the length of the sound you're trying to in between chop and your BPM. I usually go for like chopping quarters or maybe eighths. So I'll do quarters right now, and this is what quarters sound like. That's my usual. And as you can see, it's just chopping every other one out. And let me show you what 8 sounds like. As you can see, there's more chops in between. Now in some cases, the smaller ones may be too much, but you get the idea. You can also do it manually if you don't have the option on your FL Studio. You would just go to your grid and set the grid accordingly and chop everyone. Now that's for the FL. So I have the Go remix that I did in a couple videos ago, and I want to show you the in-between chops that I did in this video. I'll leave the video in the description below so you can go watch it. But over here you can see the in-between chops right here. So I'll solo this and play it. I just chopped this up right here. Into this. And basically you just have to adjust your size, your grid size, and chop every other one. So as you can see, it was like this, so I just did this. Very simple. And that's it for today's video. If you have more questions or any suggestions, feel free to join the ID Club Discord. I'll leave the link to it in the description below.